Hi, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see our products and hacks we've got in this video. This is a small trash bin you can use in the kitchen, and this is a cutting board. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is a small grinder. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food. This is a cleaner you can use for cleaning carpets, and this is a triangle mop you can use for the floor. You can also use it for walls and ceiling. This is another mop you can use for the floor. It's really helpful. It makes the task easier and fast. This is a smart washing machine. This is another folding small washing machine. We've got these hangers you can use for socks. This is a shoes dryer, and this is a brush you can use for your body. This is a hair dryer, and this is a holder you can use for your hair dryer. This is a small box you can use for your makeup stuff. It's really cool. This is a cleaner you can use for your bed, and you can use it for cleaning your pillows. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is sanitizer. This is a hanger you can use for hanging your clothes, and this is a brush you can use for cleaning your sneakers. This is an ice cube mold. Let's see what's in this fridge. This is an egg holder, and this is a small frying pan you can use for making omelet. We've got this tool you can use for cooking eggs. This is a cooker you can use for making cakes. You can also use it for cooking chicken. This is a small blender. This is another blender you can use for making juice. This is another folding small washing machine. This is a shelf you can use for organizing your stuff. This is another cleaner you can use for couches and carpets. This is a hair dryer. This is a box where you can put toilet paper. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning windows and mirrors. This is another mop you can use for cleaning mats. And this is a cleaner you can use for the corners. It's really helpful. This is another amazing apartment. We'll see the beautiful gadgets we've got in this apartment. This is an electric pot you can use for food. This is a mobile phone holder. This is an electric kettle you can use for heating water. This is a 4K smart TV. It's really cool. This is an electric tub you can use for your feet. Let's see what's in this bathroom. This is an appliance you can use for charging your mobile phone, and you can use it for storing your stuff and saving your money. This is another beautiful apartment. This is a brush you can use for your body. This is a mask you can use to protect your eyes. And these are plastic boxes you can use for organizing vegetables and fruits in the fridge. This is a juicer you can use for making orange juice. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. It's really helpful. This is an iron. This is a small mop you can use for mirrors. This is a small shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. It's really cool. This is another beautiful apartment. This is a box where you can put your makeup stuff. This is another shelf you can use for organizing your shoes. This is another mop you can use for the floor. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food. This is an egg holder, and this is a tool you can use for cooking omelette. This is another juicer you can use for making orange juice. It's really cool. So that's all we have in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.